Hey guys, welcome back. I know, it's more welcome back to me. I'm sorry, I know I've been MIA for like a couple months. I've been busy with house projects and busy with other hobbies actually. I'm back here to get things going again, and I have this one video that I shot the other day. We've been getting a lot of snow lately, as you can see, and I just wanted to do something nice and mellow to kind of like get a video going and get a couple more videos going. So this one here, I'm using the same setup. Nothing has really changed. It's an Impulse RC Apex HD on 6S with Xnova motors. I'll have a couple things about these motors and about the build and about the Flight One H7 board, which is not what's in here, but mine has been sitting there for quite a few weeks. I know, not new. It's been out for months, but anyway, the point is that I shot this with Hero 6. I don't actually have a Hero 8 or 9. You guys know that I fly whatever works, and that's the Session 5, Hero 7, and when I'd want to do cinematic stuff, I shoot with this. So I can do real steady, and this flight is actually real steady. I know some of you guys hate watching real steady videos, but the thing is, you guys know I fly smooth. I have nothing to prove. I've been doing this for 6 years. I worked on flying smoothly. So when I do a video with real steady, I'm not trying to patch things or make things look better than they're supposed to. It's just to get that cinematic look. And because of the beauty of the snow and whatnot, I decided that's what I was going to do this video with. Yeah, and Hero 6 is still very good for that and very trusty and works very well. So that's what I'm going to fly. Yeah, just stay tuned. I have a couple things coming up about my ESC, that H7, and also the overall setup for 2021, which actually hasn't changed much this year. Isn't going to be a lot about experimenting. I do have one thing I want to point out. I've been also kind of busy with other things. That's guitar. That's why I also haven't been in this hobby that much this year. I want to know if you guys are interested. I have a guitar channel, or actually music channel, that I started 10 years ago. And I'm kind of thinking of revamping it. I put a lot of work into it at the beginning, but that was before YouTube really exploded. So the channel only has like about 400 to 500 subscribers. I'm thinking of firing it up. If any of you guys are interested in specifically guitar, let me know in the comments. I'm thinking of running that channel up. For example, look at this guy. And if any of you guys know what this is, it's because you are in guitar. I'm not even going to mention it. You guys tell me if you know what this is. But anyway, I'll leave it at that. I don't want to contaminate this channel too much with music stuff. So again, the normal things. Please like, subscribe. Watch out. I got a couple more things coming. Thanks for sticking around even when I wasn't around. And I'll see you guys very soon.
You're gone now. Will you coming back? Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world. the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your destination.
Hear my chickens going berserk over in the background. All right, enough.